Hello, I'm just here making a little goof off video, just showing you guys something I learned how to do. I'm not sure how I know how to do it. It's kind of weird. I've never practiced it or anything. Just an innate ability to make a wah noise. Here I go. Wah 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 wah. That's my wah chicka wah wow. I can also do wahs to the songs, but I don't think I'm going to be doing that anytime soon. Just making a really brief video just showing the flexing the wah ability. I'll do a little bit more. Thank you. Just recorded this video for fun. I hope some of you can make fun of it or find something joyful in it. So, here we go. Out.